My one weird trick is to have students present final research papers in the form of an academic symposium. My name is Jen Caruso, and I'm Assistant Professor of Liberal Arts at MCAD. For my classes at the 3000 level for research papers, one of the things that I've had students create is an academic symposium around the themes and narratives of the class. A symposium is typically a number of different thinkers getting together to discuss a particular problem or question. It's typically not just reading a research paper. You might share a summary of the research process, the thesis that you're working on, one big thing you've learned, or a particular example. After students have pitched their idea to the class, I organize each of them into small groups of maybe 3 or 4 around different topics or ideas, the way I would, for example, if we were organizing a conference. For example, with a group of 16, you might have 4 panels of 4 students each of them with a different title, each with a panel chair. They would then work in small groups to develop some questions for the chair to use to start a conversation after each of them have done their presentations. And if you want to frame the class like that, you might ask, well, how will this question really engage the original class goals or the key question of X, right? Then the symposium becomes a time when you can, as the professor, reverse the power. Because it's a point within the course where the students have taken your original trajectory and narratives of the class, have gone into many directions, and have then come back. Then students understand that the reason we present papers is to create a dialogue around work, not just to simply present and leave.